if you're sick like I am, best way to cure a cold is a nice hot, warm cup of tea. I'm making a cup of tea right now, as you can see. Just gonna get the milk. Alright, what you probably hear rattling. It's my doggy tags. See if we can find them. There they are. Doggy tags. Anyway. Kettle to boil. And hurries. Oops. Turn the kettle off, like that. You don't want it too hot. Okay, and if you've got a cold, don't have too much milk. Because, I don't know if you know this or not, milk generates mucus. Mucus clogs up your throat. You can only have that if you're feeling better. If you're about over halfway, because a common cold lasts a week. There it is. Boiling now. Okay, kettle switches off automatically. So is yours. And we're going to pour it in. Okay. Don't want too much, I can just have. And then a tea bag. Oh, that's what she said. Gonna take it over here to the sink finally, and then 1, 2, 3. You know what you're gonna do? Get a skewer or something, spoon probably. Poke it down at the bottom for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna actually have to pierce it now. I guess harpoon it and then dump it in your sink. And then I put a little bit too much. I'll put myself to it. There we go. And now what you're gonna do? Pour your milk in. Remember, you might still have not like room, I guess, if you know what I mean. Maybe a bit more. Alright, hang on. Now I'm just going to add a bit more milk. Alright. Nice cup of tea. Now, spoon. Now I'm going to put this back. Now, and make yourself a nice warm cup of tea. So So, remember, keep your fluids up, have lots of drinks of water. Saying drink me. Now, alright, keep your fluids up. When you blow your nose, blow gently or else your sinuses will fill up with fluids. Remember that. Alright, so that's all you need to hear from me. I'm going to go off and drink my cup of tea. Poet. I didn't even know it, so yeah, bye.